It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is a mix of adrenaline, adventure, sport utility, and sports car. It's well equipped with the features you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, external memory control, driver memory seats, push button start, and power heated mirrors. This from Cars.com. Small in size but big otherwise, the design of the Mercedes-Benz GLA blends nicely with the curvaceous styling language currently in vogue. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,